Hi, it's Dr. Diaz again with Momentum Chiropractic and Rehab. We have Josie here, and we've already palpated, found some restrictions on her. We're going to perform some chiropractic adjustment. So I'll have you sit right over here for me, and then you actually stay right there. Let me have you move a tad forward, like about this much forward, and then lean your upper body back right here for me, okay? We get some hair out of the way here so we're not pulling anything. And as we palpated, we noted here on her left upper cervical region. Very good. We got some restriction right in there. Get right in here. Good. Okay. Excellent. Let's have you lay face down right here for me. Good. Good movement. All right. We're going to have you relax right here. Get your legs into a more neutral position. Okay. We're going to palpate here through the upper back. Okay. We're going to get some general movement in here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay, relax right in here. Good. Right in here. Very good. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way. Palpated the low back here. Lay on your side facing this wall right over here. And we've noted some lumbosacral restrictions here as well. So we can get in here and provide some movement. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay on your side facing the opposite way for me. Okay. Very good. Okay. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. All right, we're going to have you sit up at the edge of the table right over here. We're going to start with some wrist, elbow adjustments, and then we're going to run into some foot adjustments. So I'll have you remove that for me. Okay. I want you to lean back just a tad for me. Good. Relax right here. Good. Okay. Lean back just a tad. Good. 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 Let me have you lay back there one more time, face up for me. Okay. I'm just going to set this off to the side for you. And we're going to get some foot manipulation here, some foot adjustments here. Very good. Okay. Very good. Good. All right. Thank you.
Awesome.
Good.